This is a resin mold set that I got sent to me in exchange for this review, and this is how it came. So this right here is your mold, and it is of silicone material. Now you would put what you want in here to mold, and this right here are your 2 base stands and lights. Let me go ahead and open that up and show you what that looks like. Okay, so these are the lights out of the package, and if you see the cable, they are USB cables. Now they don't come with the brick, so you do need to get one of those in order to plug it in, which I'm going to do next. Okay, so I have one plugged in, and if you could see, it's that bright light. Now let's look at the other one. Then that's that soft yellow light. So you have 2 different lights that you can use on this. Let's go ahead and put the mold on that and see. Well, that definitely shows you what it's going to look like with the light in the mold. That's nice. Let's look at the other one. That is really nice. So what's really neat too is they each have a switch. So you can just turn them on and off. You don't have to unplug the whole thing. I hope this information was helpful, and I hope you'll have a great day.